as you can see, I'm looking a little busted. Let's get started. Hey guys, so we're back with another video. As promised, in my last wash day routine, I'm coming back through with how we're gonna turn these braids into something cute. These are actually lasting me a little bit longer because I didn't feel like doing my hair, so I just kept them in longer than what I was supposed to. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm also gonna go ahead and unbox a little gift that I got from Tgin. I got some goodies from them because I actually will be working with them this weekend at a hair show in Atlanta as one of their ambassadors, which I am so excited about. Sorry, my lash keeps getting stuck. But yes, I finally got my package today, which I will show you guys some things that they sent me. But all right. I definitely want to start posting like more hair content, but you guys gotta let me know like what you want to see, because I just don't want to assume and just post shit that people don't want to watch. And sorry, because I'm also working from home at the moment, so yeah. All right. So let me know what you guys would like to see as far as natural hair. I mean, just to answer a couple questions I get a lot. One question is, how long have I been natural? I've always been natural. I've never permed my hair. I've never put a relaxer in my hair, texturizer. Honestly, I don't even know if those are the same damn thing. So, but yes, I've never done anything to my hair. I've been natural all of my life. So I have just learned to just make the most out of my hair. I've always been natural. I don't wear weave. The only time I've wore weave is when I get braids. Not to shame anybody that gets weave, because of course if I knew what to get, I would be getting it, but I don't. I don't know about inches. I don't know about frontals. I don't know about none of it. So I just embrace what I got. All right, so of course I just, as you can see, I just took out my braids. Now, if it looks good like this, I should just leave it, but of course look at it in the back. Ew. Ew. All right, so first I'm gonna come through and damp my hair, because what I'm gonna do is just pull this back and then, yeah. So I come through with this water bottle that I love so much, which I just got from Amazon for $5.99. It's like a forever misting bottle. So in here, I have some water and leave-in conditioner, which of course is my green tea leave-in by Tgin. And just regular water. Again, I'm gonna just wet the front part because that's the only part that I'm messing with today to get this hairstyle. Now, next I come through with my edge brush, which is also a toothbrush. Yes, I know they have edge brushes, but I just use this because it works the same and it's only $1. So why would I spend more money on something that's gonna give me the same outcome if I can just spend 99 cents? So I come through, brush it back a little, so I don't need too much gel. Well, I don't need to put a lot of gel in it right now because remember all that gel I had y'all smack on your head back in that last video is still up in here. But come through, damp it again. Now I am gonna take a little bit of gel, which I'm gonna come through with my Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. Good old faithful. Just dip this a little bit. All right. So we got this down. Next, we're gonna come through with some bobby pins. You can get this from anywhere. Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, hair store. I don't know where else, but you can get these. So I usually use about 4 of these little bobby pins. And then I'm gonna just pin up here. Right up in there. My bobby pins don't be straight all the time, but luckily my pins are black. My hair is black, so it blends right in. So of course I just put one on this side, one on this side. Then I always come through and do the same thing just to overcross them to make sure that it's secure, because I don't want my hair riding up and starting to look like a little hump, like you know how we used to wear it back in like 2005. Ew. Yes, I used to do that too. I like to have my sideburns out. I'll come through with my little toothbrush. More gel. And it's so crazy about this hairstyle because I literally like just made this up as I was going to a baby shower. I had these 10 braids in my hair and I was like, what the am I about to do? Because I got 2 hours to get ready and my hair, my wash and go is not going to look right in 2 hours. So I'm like, what can I do? What can I do? So I was just playing with my hair. I was like, you know what? Let's try and create something. And I created this. But yes, as you can see, the front is looking impeccable, but don't forget the back, how it's looking back there. Woo! Of course, this hair from the top like kind of covers it, but what if the wind blows from the back? And that should go.
Look at the bitch braids.
So then I come through with my big old comb and just try and brush the side over. So it come to the middle. But again, you don't want to brush your hair out too much because you don't want it to be too puffy. I'm not sure if you guys could hear me, but on the split, I just come through and brush the hair in. Brush it in so you can get it down the middle part. I'm not sure if you heard me since I was turned the other way, but you're going to want to make sure that you don't brush it out too much because you don't want to brush out your braided curls because you don't want it looking puffy. So this cute simple hairstyle, again, like I said, this is my favorite. I hope you guys like it and I hope you can achieve these same results. It's literally taking out the braids, a little bit of water, gel, bobby pins, done. So that's it with that part. Now to do the unboxing of my gift I got from Tgin. I'm just like so excited because I have literally been using Tgin since I started my curly hair journey, and they sent me a box of gifts, and I'm gonna be working with them on Saturday at this hair show, Saturday and Sunday. Like, this is really happening. This is my life. This is amazing. I'm just so excited. I'm so appreciative. I'm so thankful. The first thing that I just pulled out of this wonderful, lovely box. We will be focusing on the Rose collection at the hair show with Tgin. They sent me everything. They sent me everything from that line, which I'm so excited because I personally have not bought anything from this collection. So for them to send me all these products, I'm just so thankful. I'm excited, I really am. They sent me the Rose Water Sulfate Free Hydrating Shampoo, which I'm not sure if you guys noticed in my wash day routine. I actually do not use shampoo often. I really only pretty much use shampoo after I have braids, and that's not often. My reason being is because I found out shampoo actually strips my hair, and I don't like that. But I will definitely be using this so I can see how this works. They also sent me the Rosewater Frizz Free Hydrating Conditioner. I also got Rosewater Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm excited to try this because I've been using this bad boy, just the green tea leave-in, for some years. And to try another leave-in conditioner from their line, I'm so super excited. I feel like the regular green tea leave-in is super lightweight, but I'm also excited to try this one just to see how this works. The Rosewater Curl Defining Styling Gel. We're gonna try this bad boy out. Rosewater Hydrating Hair Mask, which I'm so excited to try this because the one thing I just started doing with my deep conditionings, I bought a steamer that I actually started using on my hair because I have realized that I have low porosity hair, which means it's a little bit harder for my hair to retain moisture. So I will definitely be trying this out the next time I deep condition my hair, which I do every 2 weeks, and it's about that time. They also sent me this Rosewater Curl Refresher, which I'm so excited to try using this. So I can probably kick this to the side, my leave-in and water, and start using this curl refresher. And last but not least, they also sent me this Rosewater Curl Defining Mousse, which I'm excited to try this because, of course, mousse pretty much does the same thing that gel does. It's just super lightweight. So I'm really excited. I will probably also start using this on my daughter as well because, of course, she's just turned 2 and I really don't like to use a lot of gel on our hair because she's so little and her hair is so fine. I feel like this will work wonders for her. So I'm excited to try this. Tgin, thank you so much for all of my goodies. I'm so excited to use them all. Well, not just me, but I'm also excited to use them on my baby. Again, like I said, at the hair show in Atlanta, working with Tgin as one of their ambassadors, and I hope to see you guys there. I'm not sure when I'm going to have this vlog up, so you guys might know before Saturday because today's Wednesday the 20th and the hair show is in what, 3 days? I don't know. You guys might find out afterwards, but if you find out afterwards, I'm gonna still try and vlog the experience because that's so freaking exciting. Me as an ambassador for one of my favorite hair companies that I've been using forever. Yes, I'm excited. Good morning, it's 6 o'clock. Today's Saturday, April 23rd. Today is the natural hair show day. Show. And baby, I'm excited. Today is gonna be a super exciting day. I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to vlog a little bit because I know this is gonna be an amazing experience. Yeah, as of right now, I'm just about to start getting dressed because I have to meet them at the hotel where I'm gonna go get clothes and makeup done. But I did my hair yesterday because, of course, you guys know that curly hair, it takes time. So here are the results that I got, and baby, I took my time on these curls and you can tell they're just like perfect. Like the Curls and Roses collection, and I have not used that line before until they just sent me these products, but I definitely will continue to use them and incorporate them into my daily routine because yes, these curls, like what? Beautiful. I'm super excited. And yeah, let's get it. All right, so I'm at Walmart. Today is Sunday. We're getting me some insoles because baby, my baby yesterday barking, and we're not doing that today. So we gotta find a quick fix. So I'm trying to find some damn Vaseline for my lips. It's gonna be an amazing day. I'm excited. We'll tap back in with you guys when I go get my makeup done, which I'm about to go there now. But I had to make this stop at Walmart first because, yeah, my feet were barking yesterday. And we're not doing that again. So I'll see you guys in a few. Bye-bye. how we look. Makeup got done for the day. Now I'm on my way back to the convention center because I just tried to finesse and move my car from the hotel parking lot to another parking lot, so I won't have to pay that much. But it's gonna be the same price, if not more expensive, if I move. So really, I just wasted my time and my energy. Annoyed. Are headed back to the convention center. The event has started and it's about to get lit.
Wake me and your child, and it won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your person.
Today, it is day 2. We are at the Tgin booth, number 321.
You shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
New products on the market, board bristle brush. Great for slick back ponies and braids, because y'all know how I like my slick back pony and braids. They now have a defining and detection brush.
I want you on scene. Think you know your words so funny to be. That's why you did call it, but what it's on stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play
Got my L. Now her hair is nice and saturated with beautiful stem. Doing hair.
Cause a house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out.
Can too.
You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time. You wasting my time.
It's Palmer's. We got Kat over here, Catherine, which is the marketing director. We got Taylor with Tgin. Ooh, a boot. Take a picture. Why are you looking like that?
I got caught.
Done my hair.
That product like we're moving dope.
Period. Oh my god. Rose diffuser. Tyler. I'm so excited. Period. It's been a great weekend. I'm enjoying it. Miss Tyler, Jay, Cree, Bree. Want to say hey, Taylor? That was a mixture of hey and ow. Day 2, sold out. All gone. All gone over there. That's all we got left.